I'm working with King Machine since more than 12 years.
Oh, 12 years.
Yeah.
Yes, we keep always a relationship.
Yeah.
When we go outside for the exhibition, and we always meet.
Yep.
And that's really good.
And we have 2-3 projects. It was planning to succeed, but the investor, they stopped making this project now. Maybe in the future they will start again. But this line's a little bit in hot cake, can be said. And I think with all my knowledge and all my information about King Machine, the quality, the service, and everything is it's on time. They are improving year by year.
Oh, yeah.
And from 12 years when I visit the factory until now, and all the exhibition all around the world, and I think that the team and all the staff, they are improving the system. And
we are very proud of that.
Yeah, and
quality guarantee.
Quality guarantee. That's most important, because some people, they said if you want to buy from China, it's very cheap. They said no, you buy from cheap companies. With all respect to all the companies, but they are very cheap companies. But if you are known companies, it will be peace of mind. You buy the line and you feel very succeed on this line. And I was very when I go and see the company down with all these lines to Mexico, to Iraq, to Morocco, to all around the world. It's very good. It's mean the company is moving.
Yeah. We have a lot of customer cases that prove our quality and good price.
Yep. And I hope the staff give me very good price.